In a serene lake, nestled among towering trees, lived a clever little otter named Ollie. Ollie was known for his intelligence and resourcefulness, but he was also quite mischievous. One day, a great drought struck the lake, causing the water to recede, leaving Ollie's home dangerously exposed. Ollie was anxious, for he feared the sun would soon scorch his beloved underwater abode. Determined to save his home, Ollie embarked on a journey to find a solution. He swam upstream, seeking the wisdom of the elder animals. The owl, the fox, and the rabbit all offered advice, but none seemed to provide a viable solution. Ollie, however, was not discouraged. He remembered an old legend about a hidden spring that could replenish the lake. With renewed determination, he swam upstream, following the faintest of clues. After days of tireless effort, he found the spring. It was concealed behind a waterfall, its power harnessed by the mighty hands of time. Ollie, with his small yet resourceful hands, managed to dislodge a hidden rock, revealing the spring. As the water flowed, the lake began to fill, relieving Ollie's anxiety. His home was saved, and the lake was restored. The other animals marveled at Ollie's resourcefulness, and he became a legend in his own right. The tale of Ollie serves as a reminder that resourcefulness and determination can overcome the greatest challenges. Even in the face of adversity, one must never lose hope and always strive for solutions, no matter how small.